Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm out on location. I'm in Oregon. I'm heading down to the International Carnivorous Plant Society conference in California, but I thought I'd make one little stop. I'm here on the coast and there's a Darlingtonia site here, so I want to check out some cobra lilies in their natural habitat. So let's go have a look and see what we can find. I apologize for the poor audio quality. I brought my mic, but I went to plug it into my iPhone, and of course the iPhone doesn't have the headphone jack anymore, so it was useless. Thanks, Apple. But anyways, let's go have a look and see what we can find. Definitely amazing in here. It's very cool, very shaded. I'm sure there'll be a little bit of sunshine as we come out, at least if it was a sunny day. Beautiful day yesterday on the drive down. Really quite cold today and cloudy. It's about 15 Celsius or about 60 Fahrenheit right now. And look at them all, holy cow. Huge. Look at the size of those, wow. Simply amazing. So nice. And they are just everywhere in this little site here. The ground, although there's wet spots, is a lot drier than you think. Some of the pictures on those things, that's got to be 30 inches. Head is bigger than a golf ball, almost the size of like a tennis ball. Holy cow. Again, the site is just full of them. Look at this. They're so much bigger than I thought they were going to be. Holy. Just amazing. I wish there was something I could give you for perspective here, but that's still 3 feet away from me. It's really big. Super huge. If you want to read this, I suggest pausing it now.